Hey guys, welcome back. So if you saw the last video, you would see that we had a little incident at the track, popped the axle out, put a hole in the transmission. So today we're going to be starting the teardown of the F56, pulling the trans out, seeing if it's repairable, if we need a whole new trans, what we can do, what parts we're going to need to replace. So let's get started in tearing it apart. Okay, so we've removed the bumper and pulled off the fender liner, and now we're just starting to take everything off to pull the lower core support out. This ain't right. If you happen to know what an axle looks like, that's incorrect. Okay, so now we're just pulling both sides axles out of the transmission so that we can take the final steps in unbolting and removing the trans.
I don't see any damage whatsoever. Other than this, I think we're fine. No, it doesn't come out this way. But, looking at everything, it looks really good. Our magnet doesn't look bad.
Alrighty, so now we are moving on to stage 2 of repairing the transmission. As you saw yesterday, we pulled the trans, opened it up, and started cleaning it out. So now we're going to finish the process of cleaning it out and then welding the hole. Okay, so we have finished welding the transmission and now we're going to put it back together and then get ready to put it back into the car.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, there. Can I spin this? These gears aren't lining up.
Damn, you're good, kid.
First try. No. Is this just going in?
Yep. And then we're going to tap it in. Make sure.
What does it do?
It's just an oil cap. That's it. Keep going. Looking good so far. Alright, you know.
Alrighty, so I just wanted to update you guys as to what's going on with the F56. So when we were putting the trans back in, unfortunately the camera died, so we didn't end up getting footage of that. But what did end up happening is we did replace the driver's side axle. As you guys saw, it was snapped in half. So that is replaced, and then as we were lining up the trans mount, unfortunately we needed to pull the radiator back, and that broke the bleeder valve on the expansion tank for the coolant. So we had to drive out to Mini World, which is about 45 minutes to an hour drive from us, to get that replacement part. Luckily they had it in stock, so we just went and grabbed it that day. Otherwise the trans seems very healthy. The weld is holding up currently. There's no strange noises. It's shifting very smoothly. So I am praying that this works and we don't need a new trans. But I am just commuting the car back and forth to work every day to make sure that it's healthy. But as far as I can tell, this is going to work, and I'm very, very happy about that. I think next up we will be making a protection plate for the trans, so keep an eye on that, especially you track people, so that you don't also go through this. But I will see you guys soon. I think that's it for now, so peace.